What is up, everybody? Welcome to episode numero dos. Today is an interesting day. We went out shopping specifically for a couch, and I don't own a crossover. All I own is a sedan. We thought the couch was gonna fit. Look, I put the seats down and everything. The boxes are actually back there. They're massive, so I called a friend to come with their crossover to help us take the couch back, and then the rest of the video is going to be kind of assembling it. It'll be a time lapse, or maybe it won't be a time lapse. I'll see. I'll try and figure out what I'm doing with it. But yeah, it's going to be basically me putting the couch together. Yeah, it's a struggle. It's pretty embarrassing. We had the head put into the back of the car. Head of the couch put back in back of the car. And there's people walking by and they kind of like laughed at me, like, oh, like, I don't think that's gonna fit in your sedan. I'm like, you think? Yeah, well, hope you guys enjoy this episode, and yeah, enjoy me struggling to put a couch together. Yeah, so I thought this was going to fit into my sedan. Yep, that is definitely not happening. All right, we're back. My friend came along to help us move everything into his crossover. Honestly, it was a big game of Tetris because look at the boxes. They're massive. This definitely was not fitting in my car. Yeah, so I'm not gonna put this together today because it's kind of late now. We're gonna eat, and then tomorrow morning I'm gonna hit the gym, and I'm gonna kind of do an update / time lapse of me putting together the couch. Hopefully I can do it before 2 o'clock because that's when I gotta go into work. Yep. So yeah, we'll get started tomorrow. All right, good morning, everybody. It's the next morning, day after buying the new couch. About to get started. It is currently 7 o'clock in the morning, so let's see how long this takes me. We've got a bunch of boxes to unbox, so I'll be doing small updates halfway through to see how it's going. Alright, this is going to take a decent amount of time, so I'm just going to do clips of it. Okay, sort of an update here. I've got the back installed, and by installed I mean I literally just had to push these together with a nail into them. And then we're about to put this part right there, and this is really cool because it's got like a bottom storage or an inside storage. Yeah, that's pretty nice. So this part is gonna go right here on that, and yeah, I'm about to do that. Got the little nails prepped over here. By the way, look at all of this stuff. Fun. That was a lot easier than I thought. All right, it's placed together now. Literally, it was just 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts I had to screw in. I think next we have the bottom part. like the little legs on it. So yeah, that's next. Okay, I've got the couch flipped over now. I've got that part on. Now, we just need to put this part. I need to screw this in to those and then to that. We got about like, I think 3 more steps. So next clip will be the finished product. It is officially finished. It's a little slanted and I still need to adjust it to how I want it, but the couch is officially put together. Look at all this mess. Look at that. Well, that's not all. There's boxes upon boxes upon boxes. But yeah, the couch is finished. Hope you guys enjoy this video.